and welcome to the shed. In today's video I want to show you another important hand plane technique for an upcoming project, and that is doing a bullnose on a board. So first of all, I suppose you want to know what a bullnose is. It's essentially just a turnover or a rollover just on one side of the board. So you take that corner out and you're actually curving it. So it's sort of, instead of a square 90 degrees, it's a curved 90 degrees, usually just on one side. And the same technique can be applied to roll over the entire edge if that's something you wanted to do. So before we jump down here and get started, I just wanted to show you the planes that I'm going to be using here. I want to show you a couple of different examples of the way you can do this. So I've got the basic Stanley Bailey here. Now that's set with a roughing plane, so you can do the majority of your work and get it done faster using a roughing plane. And I will leave the video to that down below, but it's a plane blade that's got a radius on it, so it's going to be more aggressive. Then I've got the number 4 Lubin here, just set with a fairly fine shaving, and I'm going to be showing that. And I also want to show how you can use a number 5 in a low angle, such as this Lubin here. You can use that as well. So I just wanted to show a couple of different options. So in order to do this, you want to have your roughing plane to start with, and essentially we're going to work at a 45-degree angle like this. Now you want to have this set so it's not too aggressive, because these roughing planes can be quite aggressive. We don't want them very aggressive. So you start at a 45 like this. And I've come in maybe a third of the way, and now we start moving around and taking off all the arises. Now, I've done as much as I can here, so I'm going to come in with the smoother now. So I'm actually going to go dead bolt upright flat on the face and then slowly work around. And we've almost got this perfect, but I just wanted to show you that we can use the low angle as well. So we're going to do the same thing. And now, hit this in quick succession, we've got this nice curve. Now, you don't want to go too far on that first 45, because if you do go too far on that first 45, you might end up with a flat on this. Now, there's one more thing we can do to just do the final preparation on this and just smooth out anything that maybe we missed with the hand plane. So let's jump back down to the vise and I'll show you it. Now, what we do here is you grab a bit of 240 grit sandpaper and just hold it with some tension, and when you push down, it'll kind of wrap itself to that profile. You just want to make sure on the top here the sandpaper doesn't touch. And you can, I recommend going like this, but you can sort of do a bit of that as well. And if we look at that now, we've got this perfect, beautiful little bullnose, which is fairly even all the way around. It might be ever so slightly square here, so maybe you could find it out just a touch here, but to my eye this looks about right. So there you have it, folks. That's how quick and easy it is to do a bullnose rollover with a couple of hand planes and a little bit of know-how. And I think you could almost do this faster than setting up an electric router. Do let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. While you're down there, do sound off in the comments. I'm interested to hear if this is something that you might be likely to use. And if you'd like to see another great video such as this, do check out the video up here, which is not here yet because I haven't made it, on how to actually do a full round over on the edge of your board using hand planes. Bye for now.